What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, we gonna be all over the place. We gonna be at Home Depot. We gonna be at Walmart. We gonna be at Dollar General. We gonna be Walgreens, y'all. I just done went crazy. I don't know. Wherever the deals take me is where I go. I'ma try to make this video short and sweet and not hold y'all up too much. Just want to let y'all know where the deals is at and what the deals are. That's just my main objective. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. Plus, y'all, tell me why I was at Sam's a few minutes ago. It wasn't nothing about no deals. Getting my grandson some milk and getting a thing of strawberries, bananas, getting my daughter a bag of chips, just some normal shopping. And this man was standing in the parking lot talking about open the door, open the door. Somehow he got locked out of his car and his little kid was in the car and wouldn't unlock the door for him. So I'm meddling, and then I goes on in the store, comes back out. He had to call the lock people to come and open the door because his little kid would not open the door. And by that time I had came back out the store, and mind you, where I'm at, it's 100+ degrees. This car was not running. It's a kid in there, he's playing, won't open the door for the daddy. So the daddy calls the lock people. They still trying to get in this car. Haven't even got in there yet. And it's a lady that's looking in the window trying to get the kid to open the door. Still no justice. So I hopefully by now, I've been home for a couple minutes, they got in that car and was able to remedy the situation, because that was some crazy stuff. Then one more thing, y'all. I know y'all ready to see the deals, but I'm reading my comments. I've been doing good on YouTube as far as people being nasty in the comments. I think this is probably like my second weird comment. I wouldn't say it was nasty, but it's weird. Somebody, because I said when I went to Walmart and was buying these diapers on sale, of course, my grandson is 1 year old, still in diapers. I'm going to get him some diapers, and I'm going to buy some to sell as well. So I said my grandson some diapers, I guess, in the video, and somebody commented, stop the cycle. No, they said grandson, question mark, stop the cycle. And I wanted to be like, we good over here. I got 9 kids. That's my only grandson. And my daughter that had him is my third oldest, and she graduated from high school early. So what stop the cycle means? Stop my generation. Not to have, I'm 40 some years old and got 1 grandkid, so I think I'm doing good as far as stopping the cycle. My 2 oldest kids don't even got kids right now, and they got their own apartments in Kentucky where I'm from. So I don't know what that comment was about, but it was weird. Okay, let's get into these deals, y'all. The first deals we gonna be looking at, y'all, is at Home Depot. Okay, y'all, here are the 5 items I got from Home Depot. Right now, they got some of the Swiffer products 75% off, so you might want to go check out your Home Depot. My objective was to go to 3 Home Depots. This was the first one I went to that I got this. The second one, no luck, no type of clearance, nothing. All the good Swiffer stuff was gone, and the stuff they had I didn't want. And then I got sidetracked on the way to the 3rd Home Depot and went to Walmart and didn't even make it. So y'all, this is the stuff I got from Home Depot. These what's this, Arm& and Hammer detergent plus softener. These smell so good, y'all. They are $6.30. um and I had these Pilly coupons. I just stuck these up here. But whenever I see these Arm& and Hammer coupons in the store, y'all, it's a habit. Yes, I'm guilty of pulling them off the Arm& and Hammers. And the lady took $2 off of each one of these, making them $4.30 each. So I pay $8.60 for two of these. Then, as I was walking down the aisle, I seen these. They are normally $16.97. They had them on clearance for $10 each. And for one of them, I had $1 off coupon, so I used that. So for these two, I paid $19. And then this sponge was on clearance for $3 and 80 cents. Yeah, and I use these to scrub my pans and stuff when I clean them up and get all the grease and burnt on stuff off. And the man said these was real good. And then they got more sponges on clearance as well. It was a lot of sponges on clearance. Honestly, I should have whipped out my phone, but I was on hold with some important people while I was clearance shopping. Yes, clearance shopping. And these pillies didn't come with that. I just stuck them on there to show y'all what I used. But that is what I got from Home Depot. Now let's get into these Walmart deals. Okay, y'all, here is my transaction that I did at Walmart. First off, we're going to get into these Pampers Baby Dry Size 1 diapers. They were $19. Regular price on these was $39. So that's like $20 in savings right there. Then on these products, all of these are Ibotta deals. We're going to start off with the FDS. And y'all, I really love this body wash. And I don't know if we know what to say about it. The only thing I can say is check it out. And it's cheaper than a Summer's Eve body wash. But these were $3.97 a piece. Two of them was $7.94. Got back $3.98 on Ibotta, making the two $3.96 or $1.98 each. Then the FDS Intimate Body Spray. It is baby powder. Never tried it before, but gonna try it out. It was $2.87. You get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it $2.37. Okay, next is the Dove Men's Whole Body Deodorant Spray. They got these on clearance at Walmart. I tried to find the women's one, but couldn't find it, so I just grabbed that. It was $9.98, and usually these is like $12, almost $13. So $9.98, you get back $5 on Ibotta, making it $4.98. Then on the axe, and you can get like 3 axes and on this deal, but I just picked up one. They are $4.97. You get back $2 on Ibotta, making it just $2.97. So just for these items right here was $25.76. I got back $11.48 on Ibotta, making the final cost for these $14.28. So y'all, that was my Walmart transaction. Now let's get into this Dollar General transaction. Okay, y'all, here are the items I got from Dollar General. And I did get some more clearance batteries, but I'm not including those in the video because the clearance event is over with and they're irrelevant because they then went up on price now and they will not be the same price. So it ain't no need to insert them in the video. But let's talk about this Gain. It's the smaller one for $5.50. It is the 46 ounce or 32 loads. It is $5.50, and we have two coupons attaching, $1.50 and $1.55, making this $2.45. And to top it off, for extra savings, you can get two of the game flings, the $4.50 ones. Use those two coupons, and plus we got another coupon where you can get them two for $6, and then get the $1.50 and that $1.55 off. And I think two of them will be $2.45. I'm not for sure because I didn't try the deal yet, but I don't have the coupons left in my app. I only have $1.50 off. I don't have that $1.55 off, so I probably won't be able to try that deal. But if y'all want to try that deal, be my guest. So next is the Tide Power Pods 18 count, and you can do this with the one that says sports or the one that says Downy, and it has to be the 18 extra large. They are $9.95. We have two coupons attaching to them, a $2.05 and a $2, making them $5.90. Can't beat that. Then in some of my apps, I found Mr. Clean coupons. Not all my accounts have them, but if you have them, the Clean Freaks are $5. With that dollar off, you will be paying $4. And then on the Gain Super Flings, I don't have no more of these coupons as well. But if you are lucky, when you scan this, the two coupons will pop up. It'll be a $2.05 and a $2. And if you get these, it'll make them just $5.90. So some people's apps have double coupons, some of them don't. That's why if you have multiple accounts, it's best that you go through your apps and see what coupons you have and all of that good stuff. So if you do some Saturdays deals, you will get all of your savings. Okay, last store, y'all. I know I am wearing y'all out with these deals. I am sorry if you made it this far in the video. You know my favorite saying, comment I love deals. Yeah, if you made it that far in the video. And what's the weather like in y'all city? My city, y'all, Vegas, has been hot. The other day, it got up to like 110 degrees, and they was like, this is the hottest it's been in a while, especially around this time. But yeah, y'all, it's been hot, and if you don't have no air conditioner in your car, you might as well stay in. But let's get on to this last couple of deals I did at Walgreens, and then we are gonna end the video. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction, y'all, at Walgreens, and we are about to get into these prices, and got some money back on Ibotta for some of these items. So let's get into it. The first transaction, I got 3 Olays and a Dow body wash. The Olay is $7 each, 3 of them $21. We have a $5 digital, making them $16. Pay that, get back $5 register rewards and $3 back on Ibotta, making all 3 of these $8 or $2.66 each. Then on the Dow, it is on sale for $5. We have a dollar off, making it $4. Get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this just $2.50. Now, The next, okay, we'll start off with the Olay. I did that by itself. Didn't have any coupons, but this Olay lotion is on clearance. I was shocked when I seen it because it was $8.99. The original price on this Olay lotion is like $11.99. So be on the lookout at your store for this Olay lotion if y'all like it. But hopefully, when the new coupons come out, we have some new coupons to go along with this to make it even cheaper. Because I know sometimes they give us $1 off or something. So the next transaction will be the Snuggle cookies and the cheese. The Snuggle was $5.99 on sale. We don't have any coupons, but we get back $2 on Ibotta for this, making it just $3.99. The cookies are $1.79, are two for $3, and I had a coupon where I get $4, well, up to $4 off on any Walgreens snack when I had got some Old Spice body wash. So I got these cookies, and basically they were free because, like I said, you can get one for $1.79 or two for $3, and the coupon was for $4 off, making these free. Then on the Tostinos, y'all, I did not know because I haven't really been paying attention to Walgreens this week due to me being at Walmart and Home Depots. But they got this for $2.99, y'all. Even the chips and all of that, y'all probably already know. I'm just the one that's late. But this cheese is usually almost $5 for one, y'all. So I had to get two. So two for $2.99 was $5.98. So for all of these items, it was $11.34. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, making this just $1.34 out of pocket. Then when I get my $2 back on Ibotta, the final price for these items will be just 66 cents, y'all. 66 cents out of pocket for some cookies, some good cheese, and some Snuggle beads. But y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. With that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.